Chess tactics are short little bursts of moves that take advantage of the placement of enemy pieces. There's a lot of pattern recognition involved. Let's look at a couple of the most common tactics. In this position, black might think taking this pawn is a really good idea, and black is threatening the first tactic. There's a checkmate, queen takes f2, but also if the knight takes on f2, notice the knight would be threatening the queen and the rook. We call that a fork. It's basically a double attack done with a knight. Sometimes we also say that a double attack with a pawn is a fork. Double attacks and forks, pretty much the same thing. However, you might notice nothing is guarding the knight. Tactics tend to happen to pieces that have no defenders. So white should actually look for a check that also attacks the knight. Check is a very common theme. Queen to a4 would actually be a double attack of white's own. Queen is checking the king, and no matter what black does, the white queen will slide over and take the knight on the next turn. Not so fast, you might be saying. Why can't black put the queen back on c6 to get out of check and defend against the knight? Great idea, except here's one of those pattern recognition skills. If you'll notice, the enemy king and queen are on the same diagonal. I would look for the bishop that also occupies that diagonal. It's down here on f1, and if it springs to action on the square b5, this is a pin, along with fork, the two most common chess tactics. And now black loses the queen. If the queen tries to run away, that's against the rules. The king would be in check. And of course, if the queen captures, the white queen will just take the black queen. Well, this is only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to tactics. We've seen pins and forks. There's also skewers, discovered attacks, attraction, deflection, and much, much more.